So we start off today's video with this amazing hair transformation. The stylist adds in the color. So mesmerizing. Wow. Loving her curly texture mixed with the color. Her hair looks absolutely incredible. Beautiful shaggy bob haircut. Gorgeous. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at a variety of hair transformations. So here we have the stylist doing a beautiful blowout. Gorgeous layered hairstyle for this transformation. Her hair looks so fluffy and full. Volumized, absolutely stunning. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So we dance our way into the next transformation. The stylist likes to have a lot of fun with his clients. Wow, beautiful layered hairstyle with a beautiful blonde coloring, face framing highlights. This is gorgeous. She got her makeup done and everything. And then we move on to someone who has hair just past their shoulders. Looks like she's going to be getting more of like a traditional bob. Bangs added in the front. Very nice French girl inspired bob haircuts. Beautifully done. And then we have a curly cut transformation. She has this gorgeous red hair. Not sure if that is her natural color or not, but it is absolutely beautiful. Stylist uses the diffuser, defines the curls, and after that cut, her hair is definitely going to curl much better. And then we move on to the next one. Looks like a color switch up. Oh, gorgeous blonde, beautiful tousled shoulder length bob style. Amazing color. I love the dimension with this one. So then we move on to someone who has long hair. The stylist cuts the hair off. Looks like she's going with the Pixie Style. Some color. Wow. Hair looks absolutely incredible. So there is the before and there is the after. So then we move on to the next one. She has mid-length blonde hair. Looks like she wants to get a bob. The stylist adds in some color. Probably gonna brighten her up with this one. Beautiful bright blonde color, nice bob haircuts. And she did get some nice face framing bangs as well. Gorgeous. So then we have someone else with a mid-length red hair. I really like the stylist hair. Looks like she has some neon green going there at the top, kind of like a mullet. Oh, she got the blonde money piece highlights. Beautiful layers. Loving this color transformation and cut combo. She looks amazing. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these hairstyles with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.